In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create CRM forms in Zoho Forms. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get started connecting your forms to your CRM so you can capture leads and customer details in a more organized way. First, open your browser and go to the Zoho Forms website. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Zoho account. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard, usually called My Forms or something similar. This is where all of your existing forms are listed, and it's also where you'll create new ones. Take a quick moment to get familiar with this page, because you'll come back here often as you build and manage multiple forms. Now, to create a new form, look for the button that says New Form, or shows a plus sign next to New Form. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that. This tells Zoho Forms you want to start building something from scratch or from a template. Even if you're completely new to the platform, don't worry, the interface is designed to guide you step by step. After clicking New Form, Zoho will show you a few different options for the type of form you want to create. This is where you'll choose the option specifically labeled CRM Forms. Click on CRM Forms. Choosing this ensures that the form you're building is already geared toward connecting with your CRM. So the fields and structure you set up can be mapped to your CRM modules like leads, contacts, or accounts. At this point, Zoho Forms may ask you to select which CRM or which module you want to link the form to, depending on your setup. This is helpful because it keeps your data flowing directly into the right place in your CRM. If you already know which module you'll be using most, keep that in mind before you go further, so your form will be tailored to that purpose. From here, you're ready to start customizing your CRM form by adding fields, arranging them, and later setting up integrations and workflows. That's all you need to do to reach the starting point for building powerful CRM connected forms inside Zoho Forms.